The last to interpolate is Congressman Romy Acop. You are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Natanong na ni Honorable Caraps yung meat ng aking pagtatanong. May I just ask the former mayor, Mayor Mabilo, kung you know a certain Attorney Antonio Pesina?
Yes, Your Honor. I know Antonio Pesina.
Was he your counselor?
No, Your Honor.
No.
He ran under the opposite party, Your Honor.
Would you know if he's also included in the list?
Yes, Your Honor. I remember that he was. We were together in the following day that in Camp Crame, Your Honor.
And he's still alive?
I have no idea, Your Honor.
Thank you. How about Mr. Romel Inyon and Bert Vargas? Do you know them?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Romel Inyan ran against me in 2013. And Mr. Bert Vargas, Your Honor, I know him. He is the husband of a schoolmate from UP, Your Honor.
And would you know whether it's true that he was arrested for alleged possession of illegal drugs at a checkpoint in La Paz District in Iloilo City?
I was informed, Your Honor.
Thank you.
At that time. Yes, sir.
And he was also a mayoralty candidate.
Oh.
Would that be true?
Mr. Bert Vargas, Your Honor. Are you referring to Mr. Bert Vargas, Your Honor?
Yeah. Mr. Inyon.
Mr. Inyan was a mayoralty candidate who ran against me in 2013, Your Honor.
How about certain, I think he's already deceased, Mr. Daniel Fajardo?
Yes, Your Honor. He is already deceased. I know him, Your Honor.
And Manuel Mejorada?
Yes, Your Honor. He was the former provincial administrator and he's now serving time, Your Honor.
Pero sila po ang nagkaso sa iyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, may I know if a certain Mr. Jeffrey Celis, otherwise known as Kay Eric, was your former spokesperson?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Jeffrey Celis was my spokesperson in the year 2012. But upon information of a city councilor in 2013 that he and his family went to Boracay and used my name to spend his vacation in Boracay, upon learning that, Your Honor, I terminated the service. So since 2013, he was no longer connected with me, Your Honor, and I don't know what happened to him after that. It is his own thing, Your Honor.
In paragraph 5 of your affidavit, you said, one name was described to be a member of the House of Representatives despite not having been elected to any public office. Were you referring to Mr. Celis?
Yes, Your Honor. His name was mentioned during that fateful night that he is a member of the House of Representatives, Your Honor.
And his name was included in that list also where your name was included.
Yes, Your Honor.
Magkasama po kayo according to the list. Okay. May I know, yung mga sinabi ni Mr. Celis, siyang nagpatotoo lahat ng paratang po sa inyo ni Mr. Romel Inyon, nakasangkot po kayo sa illegal drug.
This is the first time that I've heard of it, Your Honor.
Hindi, tinatanong ko lang kung alam po ninyo yun.
No po, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mayor. May I know, Mayor, bakit mas naniwala po kayo doon sa general na hindi nyo mabanggit ang pangalan kaysa doon sa salita ni Chief PNP De La Rosa?
Your Honor, at the time when I spoke to PNP Chief De La Rosa, I really believed in him. But after 15 minutes, if you get a call from a general who is close to him, then this destroyed my believing in him. So I did not take the risk, Your Honor. I just believed then on what the other general told me, Your Honor.
When you were supposed to meet with General De La Rosa, and it was postponed, I think, 2 times according to your statement.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Who made the calls to you regarding the postponement?
I think it was General Diaz, Your Honor.
Your RD Gen?
Former
Your
regional.
former RD, yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you friends with General Bernardo Diaz?
No, sir. He was assigned on the latter part, I think in 2016. And I have never established a friendship with General or personal relationship with General Diaz, sir.
Pero, Mayor, from your statements, there were 2 generals who were with your side. And it was only, according to your statement, General Bato, who was not on your side.
One colonel, Your Honor, one colonel and one general. The one colonel called first before, and then when I spoke to General Bato, this general gave me a call. So parang it supported the statement of the colonel. So that's why, sir, I wasn't able to think no more. I just believed in the last caller, who was the general, who told me not to proceed, sir. Because for the reason, sir, that previously there are already several cases that have been with the Chief PNP, but what happened is in the end, they died, sir. So that's why I just all that I thought was to preserve the life of myself and my family, sir.
So, the last call that you got from the officer, is that officer close to you? Or close to your family?
No, sir, not that close, sir.
And you still believed him?
Yes, sir. We were introduced, and he was a former Iloilo City, but not at my time as mayor. So, but yes, I believed him because he was very sincere in telling me that information, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Acop.